Again, let's talk about the consistent characters because this is the most demanding video from you guys. So today we're gonna try some realistic characters that you can use for your AI influencer or any kind of project. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. So if you have watched my previous consistent character video, you probably know about the design.ai. But now they have introduced some really cool features that we're gonna try today. Well, they do have the image to image, text to image. They also have introduced the image to video option, but we are sticking with the consistent character. So again, click on the consistent character. And for the new viewers who don't know how to create the consistent character, in the previous video I shared a different method, but in this one we're gonna jump straight into generating the images. So once we are on the character features, again click on the character, and here we can see we have three different options. We have the consistent character, we have the character sheet, and we have new option that is insert character. I'm gonna explain the insert character feature later in the video, but first of all, let me remind you the process of creating the consistent character. So in the previous video, we used the character sheet where you can just define your character, and next you have to choose your style. So they recently added some new styles. You can also give it a try. We have the Flux AI, we have some cozy 3D styles, we have the 3D animation, Disney kind of styles, cartoon styles. We also have the GTA style if you want to try, but let's go with some cozy 3D style. So once you click on the generate, the AI will give you a character sheet. So here you can see we have a character sheet of two different characters. So you can choose whatever you want to choose. And this is for those who don't have any character and want to create a character from the scratch. And then you can download your desired character, and you can also upscale if you want to. And once you have your image, you can crop it from all three angles, and then you will have three different images that you can use for the consistent character. But this is for those who are building the character from a scratch. But if you have any character, you can simply jump to the consistent character and then upload the character images. So we have some pre-generated characters, but we're gonna train our own character. So the preferred number is 1 to 30 images, but you can also train the model with just 1 to 3 images. So let's say I have this character here. I have only 3 images of it. And next just give it a name like Emily and hit train. So once your character is trained, you can simply go to the choose character, and then you can see we have our character Emily. And here is the prompt that AI gives us according to the features of our character. So you can also change it if you want to. You also have the option to regenerate it, but let's move to the character images. So here you can see we have some pre-generated presets. So if I click on this sit, the AI will automatically generate the prompt, and if I click on the laugh, this will generate the prompt according to the laughing action. Then we have the dancing, and if I click on regenerate, this will give you some different options. So let's go with this prompt and let's see what that gives us. Alright, so here we have our character, and this is exactly the same. This is the first image, this is the second image. And if we look at the facial expression, clothing, each and everything, and even the style is exactly same to our reference image. Quite impressive, right? Now let's try something else, like a woman reading a book and looking shocked. And here we have it. And again, the character is super consistent. This time let's try Emily sitting on a sofa with her friends. And here we have it. Now you may be wondering why I generated this prompt, because I'm gonna show you another feature, that is insert character feature. So if we look at the options, obviously you can generate the variations of the images, you can generate the variation of the second image, but next we have the insert character option, and this is very useful. So if I click on the insert character, like for this particular image, this will give you some tool. We have the lasso tool, we have the brush tool, or if you click on the auto, the AI will automatically select the area. So let's say I want to replace this character with another character. So I'll simply go to my character list, and then we can select any character that we want to add in this particular image. Let's select Anna, and let's type a prompt, Anna smiling and talking, and hit generate. I'm sorry, somehow that part wasn't recorded in the video, so I'm selecting this again and hit generate. Alright, so now we have our new character seamlessly integrated with the existing image. So this is the first output, here is another output, and now you can see both of these characters in a single scene. So if you are trying to generate the multiple consistent characters, you can use this feature to create the multiple characters, but make sure to use the same style for the better results. Now let's try the same thing with any cartoon character. So here I have another character called Mandy, and this is gonna be the same prompt, and hit generate. And this time I want to replace the other character with our new character called Dan. And there we have it. Now both of our characters are in a single image, and the main thing is that the style is consistent because I generated both of these images in a same style. Now you can also make changes to any existing image. So let's say I have this image and I want to replace this main character with our own character. So simply go to the insert character. Now select the auto select mode and make a selection. Once it's done, just go to your character list and choose the character. So let's say I want to replace it with the Dan and hit generate. And now you can see our character has been replaced. So that's how you guys can add your character into the existing images, or if you want to add multiple characters, you also have that option. So this was just a demo. It all depends on you how you guys use this tool. There are endless possibilities. They also have some other tools that you can try, but in this particular video we only covered the consistent character feature, and I hope this feature helped you guys a lot. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.